If you're seeing the Facebook session expired error while trying to log in, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve the session expired login issue step by step, so you can get back into your account without wasting time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the page. On your keyboard, just press F5 or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes the session error happens because the login page didn't load properly, and a simple refresh can reset everything and let the page connect correctly. After refreshing, take a moment to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the Facebook login process and trigger the session expired message. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly, or try switching to mobile data if you're on a phone. If you're on a computer, you can also open another website to confirm that your internet is stable. If the page still shows the same error, close Facebook completely and reopen it. On a browser, you can close the tab and sign in again. On the app, force close Facebook and launch it again. This can clear out temporary loading issues that may be causing the login session to fail. Another helpful step is to clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using Facebook on a computer. Old saved data can sometimes conflict with the current login session and create errors like this. Once the cache is cleared, go back to Facebook and try signing in again with a fresh session. If you're on the Facebook app and still getting the expired session message, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Outdated app versions can sometimes cause login problems, especially after account or security updates. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, check for updates, and install the newest version if available. You should also make sure your device's date and time are set correctly. Incorrect time settings can interrupt login authentication and make Facebook think your session is no longer valid. Turn on automatic date and time if possible, then try logging in again. In some cases, logging in from a different browser or device can help. If the session expired error keeps appearing on one browser, try Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another device to see if the issue is specific to that setup. This can help you confirm whether the problem is with Facebook itself or with your current device. Once you're able to log back in, it's a good idea to review your account security settings and make sure everything looks normal. If you ever notice repeated session errors, it could be caused by a temporary Facebook outage, so waiting a little while and trying again later may also help. So to recap, the fastest fix is to refresh the page, check your internet connection, and then try signing in again. If needed, clear your cache, update the app, and make sure your device settings are correct. If this tutorial helped you fix the Facebook session expired error, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.